Hey guys, Lee Cole here. Thanks so much for looking at this quick video. What I want to do here is I want to give you a walkthrough of Motaki's new training and software called Local SEO Hunter. I'm right here on the sales page. I'm not going to read the sales page to you. That would be really stupid. I just want to point out a few things. And basically, what you're looking at training and software, but the software here is just really killer. Introducing an amazing software prospecting tool that makes SEO client getting as easy as pie. Now, I'm going to show you the software in just a second. Basically, let's just scroll down here and I'll tell you what the kinds of things you're going to be selling. What Local SEO Hunter does. Okay, Local SEO Hunter generates, that's a software, okay, generates a professional comprehensive SEO report for any website in the world. So essentially what happens, the report is generated by the software for a given website. Oh, and it also will scrape leads for you. Okay, so, and again, I'll show you the whole thing, but the report the software generates a report. The report basically details all of the on-page SEO things. For those of you who aren't that familiar with SEO, on-page SEO has to do with things that you can fix on the website itself, not backlinking. Things that you can fix on the website itself in order to massively increase the website's rankings. But generates a report of all the problems that the website has, and you can email this report from the software itself. You can email this report to the potential client along with a proven email format of essentially a little sales email, and just sit on your rear end, create these reports, email these reports, and you're going to get people calling you and saying, hey, thank you so much for letting me know that. By the way, how much would it cost for you to fix this stuff for me? That's what the software does. And if you're wondering, to yourself, well, how hard is this stuff to fix? And gee, Lee, I don't know how to fix on-page SEO stuff. Don't worry, I'll show you where Mo's got you covered here. And if you're thinking to yourself, well, I don't have any online presence. I mean, how are they going to know that I'm the real deal? Well, you also get a done-for-you lead generation website. So the whole thing is covered. This is like a freaking business in a box. It's not like a freaking business in a box. It actually is a freaking business in a box. Software scrapes. Software creates the reports. Software emails the reports. Website that you get makes you look like a boss. Training shows you exactly what to do. And if you're really, really, really smart, which I know you are because you're looking at one of my videos, if you're really, really smart, you're going to hire someone else to just go fix this stuff for you. So let's do this. When you buy Local SEO Hunter, and by the way, this goes on sale today at 11 o'clock. I'm making this video a little late because Mo basically got me my access a little late, which is fine. They were changing some things in the members area, and I knew that. But this launches on the 8th of August at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. And so when you get this and you log into it, you're going to see the following. This is your basically dashboard, a little welcome video and all that stuff. So how do you access your stuff? Well, Local SEO Hunter, done for you website. This is the website that's going to make you look like a pro. It's all done. I mean, the copy, the images, everything, it's all there. You can download that here. The software is accessible right here. And then you got templates and resources. In terms of how do you fix this stuff, it would be unfair to say, hey, go get a client and then not know what to do for them. But in terms of how do you fix this stuff, and by the way, all this stuff's really easy to fix. You just have to know what to fix, right? So step-by-step guide to fixing SEO and Local SEO Hunter software training videos. So you got training videos, you got how to fix, and you have this beautiful software that goes out, finds leads, creates this beautiful report and emails them for you. So let me take you through this. So if we click here to go see the software, we're going to go to this page where we're going to click here and we are going to access the software itself. So this is the software platform. You don't install the software on your computer. It's cloud-based, which is very convenient. Also, you don't have to worry about updates and stuff like that. Lead search, website report, and the emailing and all that. So you go here, and you can see these are some searches that people have done, that I've done. This is a test account that I'm looking at. And you put in project name, keyword, country, add a location. So, I just auto detailing in Atlanta, financial services in Chicago, plumber in Dallas. You do the search, right? And it does take a few minutes for it to go out and get the information, which is fair, okay? I mean, it's not instantaneous, but that makes total sense. You do the search, and then to see the results of the search, we're going to click over here. See the little magnifying glass? Just click over here. And this is going to take us here, and we get all of these beautiful leads. Now, this is what is really, 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 really cool. Okay. You can, I actually just downloaded this one. You're looking here, look, you get the business name, the website, the email. You can save the lead. You can send an email to them with the report attached and all that stuff, all right? But I want you to see the report. In order to generate the report for each one of these, like for Augur Pros, to generate the report, I'm going to have to click this little icon like that. And it's going to take a minute or two, and then it comes up with that. Okay, so that tells me that I can take a look at the report. Oh, heck. Well, let's just go look at this one. I was going to look at the one below it, but let's look at this one. So now we're looking at the report for this company, Augur Pros. And this is the report. Now, you will, in the setup of this, provide your logo and all this stuff. So you're branding it for your business. But this is what the report is going to show to you. And also this is a report that you're emailing to Augur Pros, in this case, as a prospective client. Their page rank, their Alexa rank, and their page grade. 72%, not horrible. But it could use some help specifically. And notice how this is broken down into speed. Now, these are things that you can change, all right? Things that are fairly easy to change. Speed, URL, title tag, description tag, image analyses, heading tags, copy analysis, code analysis, social analysis, mobile analysis, and blah, blah, blah. I mean, you can see this is incredibly well. This is incredibly well thought through. It's even got a little checklist here, right? Now, if you're wondering, well, gee, Lee, if I send this to Augur Pros, why won't they sit down and do it themselves? Seriously? I mean, these guys are plumbers, not online marketers, all right? They don't do it themselves for the same reason that I have a lawnmower sitting right out there beside my house. I haven't used that lawnmower in God knows 10 or 15 years. I keep thinking I need to roll it out to the street and hang a sign on it that says free, because I haven't mowed my lawn in forever. Why should I mow my lawn when I can pay somebody else to do my yard work for me? I mean, that's just a big waste of time. I don't change my oil. I know how to change oil in a car, but I don't change my oil. There's a ton of stuff that I don't do because I'm either working or I'm enjoying my life. Okay, ditto for Augur Pros. These guys, the owners, the managers, they're either working or they're out enjoying their lives. They don't have time to screw around with this stuff, albeit it's fairly easy to do. Page speed. Page should load quicker, and you need to reduce the page size. Okay, so this tells you all about that. URL. URL is not SEO friendly. Exact keyword not found in this URL. Okay, that's pretty cool. It probably should say, I think we were checking plumbers in Dallas, Augur Pros, plumbers in Dallas, something like that, right? Title tag. Title tag should be 55 characters or less. See, what they're trying to do is they're trying to put the keywords in the title tag, which is a fine thing to do, except the title tag's too long. Description tag. So this goes through and this tells you every little thing that needs to happen, but also you send this to your potential client, in this case Augur Pros. They open it up, they look at it, they start reading it. It's very impressive because it makes it look like, you did a ton of work beforehand. It's a very nice report. You did a ton of work beforehand, and that you actually know what you're doing, and you know a ton of stuff that they don't know. And when you make them an offer, you know, I'll fix all this for you for $500 or whatever. You know, whatever you want to charge. That's going to vary a little bit from market to market. I mean, if you're fixing things for plumbers in Manhattan, this is a borough in New York, not Manhattan, Kansas. But if you're fixing stuff for plumbers in Manhattan, New York City, that's going to cost more, well, than Manhattan, which is a small town in the state of Kansas. All right. So, and it should. So there's some leeway there, but you're talking about several $100s to fix all this stuff, at least. Personally, I would sell this for about $1,000. But anyway, heading tags, copy analysis, and you can read through this, okay? You can read through this and see all of this stuff. This is beautiful. The report is a great report to send to the potential client. It's also a great report for you to notice the tasks. Page should load quicker, reduce page size. Those are two... Those come from here, so it takes all of this and turns it into a checklist. I think that's so freaking beautiful, because you can send this to an outsourcer and they can just go check, 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 check. As they do it, send it back to you, and you know, send it to the client after you're done. You know, the client pays you, you do the work, your outsourcer does the work, you check all the little boxes, you send the report back to them with a little email that says, please notice that everything that we talked about is checked. You know, please feel free to check it on your website. Your website will now do much better in the search rankings. Thank you so much for your business, okay? This is really, really cool, guys. Really, really cool. Here's another report. This is for Benjamin Franklin Plumbing, also in Dallas. Same idea. And I really like this. I really, really like this. To actually send out the report to the prospective client, you know, you just click here and it pulls up a proven email that Mo's team uses. Mo's team sells this stuff globally, right? Using the same software, by the way. I can find nothing wrong with the software, frankly. If you'll look on my channel, I reviewed Mo's last product. It was called GMAPS Domination or something like that. That was, I'd give that about an 85, a grade of 80 or 85. It had a couple of little issues. It was worth buying and it was worth using. It just had a couple of little issues. I keep looking at this and wondering what else it needs, and what guys, in case you don't know me, I've been doing this stuff since 2007, okay? And you know, seeing what it needs, et cetera, et cetera. I can't really see anything amazing that it needs, or really anything that it needs. The software also includes, let's see if we can find this, access to the software. Let's just go through this again. Look, a way to keep up with your leads. All right, the leads that you're creating, a client management system, a link analysis system. It's got a lot more to it. I'm not going to go over that. That's cool. It's important. The report and the fact that it generates such a beautiful report, and the fact that you can email the report from the software without any other screwing around, is really huge. And basically you should buy this, and then you should sit on your rear end an hour or two a day. You should send this out. You're going to get calls back. You're going to get business, and you can build your business very fast with just this one thing. Now, if you're looking at this on YouTube, all right, scroll down, click the link. You'll go to my bonus page. You'll see all the cool bonuses that you get when you buy this through my link. If you're actually looking at this on the bonus page, then just scroll down below. You'll see all the cool bonuses. You want to go to the sales letter from YouTube? Click the first link, go to the bonus page, click the big red button that says next step. That will take you to the sales letter. Launches at 11 o'clock on August the 8th. I would grade this at like 100%. Okay, this is really cool. I think it's a really, really, really cool piece of software. Thanks so much. I'm Lee Cole. Great to talk with you, and talk with you soon.